So step one is you do need to download this app here called Vroid Studio. I downloaded it to my computer. It was really easy, did not take up too much space, which is great. I opened it. This is what my opening page looks like. So I'm just going to make this as simple as possible since it's our first time making our own avatars for gaming stuff. I'm going to choose one of the sample ones. It looks like there are two girls and then the third one is a boy. So I think I did a girl one previous. I'm going to try the boy one this time. So I'm going to click sample C. There we go. So it's loading. It says wait for a moment. I gave it a double click. Don't know if I needed to. Okay, so now all of this stuff you can do however you want. They have all these face settings. They have eyes, all kinds of stuff. You can get really creative with whatever you want to do. I'm not going to boss you around for that. You play around with it. Same with the hairstyle. You can double click whichever one you want. Then you can even go in and make color changes if you like. Let's see here. Maybe I'm trying to do kind of blondish shade. That's fine. But what is important is the outfit. We need to remove the default outfit, okay? And this did take me a minute to figure out. So I'm under outfit, okay? Now I have to click tops. Okay, and we're gonna go to presets. The first one under presets is nothing. So we took off his outfit. We have to do the same to the bottom as well. So there's the bottom. I'm gonna go to presets and double click it. So now it's gone. You can keep going through accessories if you want them to have some shoes, all that good stuff. And yeah, when you're done, you're ready to export it as VRM. So you'll click that when you're ready. Okay, let's see here. I will type in if there's anything you need to type in, but I actually think we're okay. I'm just gonna click export and give it some information, whatever you wanna call it. We're going to choose format VRM 0.0. And again, I'm going to say export. You're going to have to remember where you saved it because we are going to use this file in the next technique sample. Okay, so it's going to process. Anyways, right now it's saving that VRM file. And, oh, here we go. I'm saving it in my documents folder. Maybe you want to be more organized and make a new folder. So that's good. We'll use that one. But then now I'm done with this guy. I don't really need him anymore, so I can X him out. And the Vroid software might ask you if you want to save it, right? So in case you want to go back and make changes to it, the VRM one we just exported is no use to you. So you may also want to go ahead and save this Vroid Studio design file. You don't need to turn it in for me, but you can do that if you want. So I'll just keep it organized in case I need to go back and do something different. That's it, okay? So embed a photo of how the avatar turns out. I wanna see your design, and then upload the VRM that you exported as well so we can use that for the next technique.